Hey everybody, it's me, Shadow Nexus, here to show you how to install a DC power outlet onto a Vulcan S 650. Okay, so I already got the cover unscrewed, so just remove that. And then you just take this piece off. And since I got it almost pre-installed, inside, you can't really see it too clearly, but there is a screw. You'll see it when you get pretty much close. Matter of fact, I could bring you right close to it. Okay. Right there. Make sure you have enough clearance and use one of these so you can get in and screw it together, because it's a bitch if you don't remove everything. So then you just make sure it's lined up in there and tighten it. And then in the directions, it says remove from the harness. So I'm going to show you that. It's to plug in the power. So we just put this back together. So no water can get in. And these are fairly simple. Well, that's a little bit difficult to take back out once you put it in. But where it's going to be located, I'll bring you in. It's going to be located inside, underneath this, inside the plastic. You're going to just have to lift it and pull it gently so you won't break the cable. And then you just simply plug it in. Just apply a little pressure. And don't worry about it not being wrapped up, because this is supposed to guard against water, so you'll be pretty much fine when you're riding it caught in the rain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it looks installed. And then you could just, sorry about the motorcycles, this is a motorcycle heavy area, but then you could just use it, your regular car charger, anytime you want. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe, and hope to bring plenty more tutorial videos for you soon. Take care.